Ever wonder how to keep your Canon EOS 2000d running smoothly and avoid frustrating card errors? First things first, make sure your camera is powered on. This whole process takes less than a minute. Now, look for the menu button on your camera body and press it firmly. Once the main menu appears, you'll see several tabs at the top. Use the directional buttons next to the menu button to navigate to the wrench or setup icon. This wrench tab is where you'll find all the system settings, including the formatting option. Move the highlight over to it. Scroll down through the wrench menu options until you find Format Card. It's usually near the top. Once Format Card is highlighted, press the Set button in the center of your directional controls. A confirmation screen will appear asking if you're sure you want to format. Select OK. The camera will now begin the formatting process. This takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a formatting complete message. Your SD card is now clean, free of potential errors, and ready for all your amazing photos and videos. Regularly formatting your SD card prevents data corruption, resolves various card errors, and prepares your card for optimal performance. This simple step ensures reliable shooting every time.